In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn profile picture. After creating your LinkedIn account, you couldn't provided your professional profile picture and you want to update your current LinkedIn profile picture. It's pretty simple and easy. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your LinkedIn home feed, on the top left corner, proceed to click on your LinkedIn profile picture. On this interface, continue to click on view profile. So this is our current profile picture. In case yours is not something that you so desire to maintain, you can proceed to click on this profile picture. Then you have the option to click on view or edit profile photo. So we proceed to click on it. So you have a list of options here. You can edit the current profile picture that you have by tapping on this edit icon. You can also change a new profile picture by tapping on this add photo. So this will give you an option to take your photo or upload from your current photos on your phone gallery. So whichever option best works for you, you can proceed to click on it and you'll be able to update your current LinkedIn profile picture. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.